In this video, we are going to write a C program that is going to print all the prime numbers between any two intervals. So welcome guys to this video where we are going to write a C program that is going to print all the prime numbers between any interval that you are going to give to this program. Before that, I would recommend subscribing to the channel and hitting the bell icon to get notified for future updates. So in the last video, we have written a C program that is printing all the prime numbers starting from 1 to the number that has been entered by the user. So in this program, we are going to take the complete interval, that is the interval can be arbitrary. That is, the interval can be 10 to 100, 20 to 100, 10 to 1000. This program is going to print all the prime numbers in any interval provided to it. So this program is the second part of the last video, and if you haven't seen that video, then this video is going to be a bit difficult for you. So I would highly recommend going to that video, and watching that video you will get complete understand how to print the prime numbers from 1 to any number. After that video, this video is going to be a lot more easier to understand. In the last program, we were taking only one limit, that is the upper limit, as the lower limit was 1 for each time. If you are thinking that how could we print all the prime numbers in any interval, so let me show you how to do this. So I am going to modify the previous code, and I hope you could understand. I will start by declaring another variable like int limit2, and I will name the first variable with limit1. As we are taking the input by this printf and scanf statement, I will modify this like enter the limit1 as scanf statement, and I will create a new line here, and I will copy this, Ctrl C, I will paste this, Ctrl V, and enter the limit2. I will store the first one in limit1 and second one in limit2. Similar to the previous program, we are also going to check our limits by using a if-else statement, but as we are entering two limits, so I will write something like if limit1 is less than 0 or limit2 is less than 0, then I will enter both the limits again. I will paste this. So that is our if statement. So this was our else statement where we are going to calculate our prime number. So as we know, our first for loop is the input loop. In the first for loop, I was the initial value. So I will change this 1 to limit 1. As now the limit 1 is our initial value, and our I should continue to limit 2. And in the second for loop, j is going to be 1 and j will continue to I. And if the I is going to be divided by j, then our factor box is going to add it with a value. So if the factor is 2, then we will print our prime number. So let's run this program. Enter limit 1 like 10, enter limit 2 like 100. So here you go, 11, 13, 17 and so on. This is your program that is going to print all the prime numbers in any interval. Let's take another example like let's 20 and 1000. Yeah, this program is actually running perfectly fine. So that's the C program printing all the prime numbers in any interval. So thank you so much guys for watching this video, and if you have any doubts, so you could ask me in the comment section below. I will answer those questions. So please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification icon so you get notified for future updates. You could follow me on Instagram and Twitter. I hope you have liked this video, and please like or dislike to give any feedback. Peace and have a good day.